Question 13, we want to use trial and improvement to find the solution to 2 to the x minus 10 equals 0, given our answer to one decimal place. They've already given us the first guess, which was 3, gave us the answer minus 2, which was too small. All right, so it's only a little bit too small, so I'm only going to go a little bit higher, and I'm going to start by guessing 4. So on my calculator, I need to do 2 to the power of 4 minus 10. So you might have a button that looks like XY or a button that looks like X like that. That's what you're going to have to use in order to put the 2 to the power 4 in. Alright, so 2 to the power of 4 minus 10 equals 6. Now we don't want 6, that is too big. So this is just like Goldilocks and the 3 bears here, okay? So 3 is too small, 4 is too big, so I'm going to go somewhere in the middle, and I'm going to try 3.5. Now remember, I'm only going to one decimal place, okay? So each time, let's just keep it to one decimal place. There's one extra little step at the end, but other than that, we'll stick to one decimal place. Alright, so 2 to the power of 3.5, and you can just use the replay button on your calculator to go back and change it. That gives me 1.31378 ... Again, that is too big, so I want something smaller. I'm going to go for 3.3, and I'm just using the replay button to go back, change it to a 3, and I get minus 0.15084, etc., which is too small. Alright, so 3.5 was too big, 3.3 was too small, so next logical step is 3.4. So each time I'm just trying to get it into a better one. So I get 0.55606, which is too big. Now what a lot of people do is then say, right, well, I only want the answer at one decimal place. I can see that the 3.3 is closer, so I'm just going to say that is the answer. However, you're not really allowed to do that. You have to do one more trial once you've got it wedged in the number of decimal places that you want. And that is to try halfway in between them. So I'm going to try 3.35. When I do that on my calculator, I find that I get 0.1964, etc., which again is too big. We can now state the final answer because I know that the true actual answer is somewhere between 3.35 and 3.3, because one was too big and one was too small. Any number that is in between those on a number line, when it's rounded to one decimal place, is going to give me 3.3. So my final answer for x is going to be 3.3.